Hey, how's it going everyone? Eddie here once again with Ontario Auto Group. Here we got a beautiful 2020 Ford Transit. It is a low roof, 130 inch. It's a T-250. It's rear wheel drive. It's equipped very well. Check this out. Has sliders, clamp, more sliders, dividers, big compressor, power outlet, more shelving. It's beautiful work van. Check it out. It's in great shape. If you have any questions, call us at 905-274-4445. My name is Eddie. It has 134,800 kilometers. It's leather, power options, power mirrors, leather, and big screen, backup camera, 134,800 kilometers. If you have questions, give us a call. We're located at 857 Lakeshore Rd East in Mississauga. Closest intersection, Lakeshore and Cawthra. If you need lease to own under your company, we have that available. If you need financing, cash deals, everything is welcome. We take trade-ins. Let us know. Give us a call. Look forward to talking to you.